6 decades beneath the waves, the sea continues its slow reclamation, transforming the war machine into a timeless reef.
Bring her down slowly now, easy. Clear on the left wing, steady as she goes. Bring her down slowly now, easy. Clear on the left wing, steady as she goes.
As you can see, the red highlights the severe corrosion on the spar.
And the green overlay suggests the composite patch repair.
Exactly, we'll implement that solution here.
Look at the tolerances here on the landing gear strut. It doesn't match the CAD model.
I see that. The historical document confirms the earlier revision.
Okay, the ruler is set at the trailing edge.
Data logged. Move to the starboard access panel next.
The primary challenge here is the fuel system integration during reassembly.
If we follow the projected removal sequence,
The SEM images confirm severe intergranular corrosion on the aluminum sample.
Yes, consistent with prolonged.
As you can see on the Gantt chart, the critical path milestones are clearly defined. We must prioritize safety and precision.
Maintain current descent rate. We have slight yaw to the left.
Roger. Applying counter tension. Clear above.
Check the laser alignment on the starboard side.
Holding steady at 3 degrees.
Proceed with the hydraulic lift, slowly now.
This actuator is completely seized. Check the torque spec on the tablet.
It says 150 foot-pounds, but it won't budge. That connector is definitely corroded.
Confirmed. It doesn't match the schematic reference. Documenting the variant.
Contamination levels steady at 0.
Engaging the siphon pump now. Flow rate looks good.
The digitized cross-section confirms the extent of the fatigue. We'll redesign the internal structure.
Agreed. Let's reference the Salvaging.
The signal looks much cleaner now. The replacement capacitor is holding steady.
All right, let's verify the continuity on the next section.
The airflow path here is quite complex for the era.
It really shows the genius of the original design.